sugar in the snow.
Okay, so hopefully y'all can hear me, but we're starting off the morning early. It's 2:52 a.m. Yes, 2:52 a.m. I was originally going to film a day in the life of a stay-at-home daughter, but then I remembered it's Vlogmas. So instead of this being like a regular video, most of it is going to be a voiceover. But anyway, I'm doing laundry right now. Don't ask me why I'm doing laundry at almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Here it was 3:05 a.m. I was watching Annie with my little sister. And then in the next clip, I'm going to be doing my morning routine. Okay, so this is after I woke up because I originally went to sleep at like 5 in the morning. I don't know what it was, but I just couldn't go to sleep. But anyway, right now it's like 10:26 a.m. and I was about to brush my teeth and wash my face. And then like I hopped in the shower and I also washed my hair. So after this clip, I'm going to be showing y'all, well, I'm going to actually try and speed it up. And I'm going to show y'all just what I do in the morning, which is basically nothing for real. But yeah. Hopefully y'all can hear me, but I like using the original Listerine because I feel like that one just works the best out of all the mouthwashes that I've used. So yeah, I'm gonna stick beside it. And also, I love using the Dial antibacterial soap to wash my face because why not? It's antibacterial soap. Like, I feel like maybe if, what was I finna say? But yeah, like it keeps my skin clean. Now, okay, see, I do have acne, but it's not because of like the soap or whatnot. It's because like I just need to intake more water, which I am now, and also I want to change up my diet. Yeah, so really those are the two main benefactors. Not benefactors. Lord. Listen, I'm trying, y'all. But anyway, I'm washing my face right now. And I also let this sit on my face and like dry. And then I'll go in with some warm water in my rag and wipe it off. Now here I had just gotten out of the shower and I just got done washing my hair. Now the little mixture in the bottle, I had made some clove water and I mixed in a little of my TGIN leave-in conditioner and also a little bit of my tea tree oil, and I just spray it all over my hair. And then I also go in with more leave-in conditioner and also more of my tea tree oil, and I just detangle my hair. I'm also gonna be doing something to my hair, I don't know yet. Probably some mini twists, just something to like keep my hair in like a protective style so that it can grow and flourish, since I did recently do a big chop. I forgot what day it was, but I know it was earlier this month. Yeah, because today is November 30th. So yeah, I think it was earlier this month. But I wish I did record it, but it was like an impulse thing. Like, the dead hair just needed to go. It just needed to go. But so after I got done detangling it, I let it air dry some, and then I threw my bonnet back on. What was I gonna say? But anyway, when I do decide to do a hairstyle, that's gonna be one of the Vlogmas days. So that'll be like a video of its own. But I'm probably gonna do mini twists. Either a mini twist or I don't know. I need to look up some more hairstyles because I really want to do a wig, but the way the funds are looking, that's probably not gonna happen. I hope it happens in Jesus' name. But yeah, so I just put some oil on it, and then I finger detangle it first, and then I went in with the wide tooth comb, and also I think my detangling brush, or I just did the wide tooth comb. Either or, after I finger detangle it, I go back in with either the brush or the comb to detangle it some more. Okay, so now I was back at my mom's house, and I was currently folding my clothes. This took forever, only because I had so much clothes to wash, like literally almost all of my clothes. But I got it done. I'm gonna end up playing music over the rest of this. I'll probably split this up some too, only because I don't want it to be boring. Like, y'all, this is only day 1. Day 2 through 25 will be so much more better, because then I'll be prepared. So yeah, just bear with me. Why is you at the door? Hey, mama's boy. Y'all, I had to let him outside at night because he don't know how to stay out of people's yard unless it's nighttime. So, yeah, I'm letting him right now. It's like, move out the way, Theo. Move out the way. Right now, it's about like, I think 9:30 or something. But, I'm about to make me some hot chocolate. And then I'm going to let him in. And I'm going to finish editing day 1 of Vlogmas. And then we're going to watch a movie and call it a night. Isn't that right, Stinker? Yeah. I don't know what's going up with my phone, but I just tried to record in Cinematic again, and it wanted to glitch. I'm recording on my iPhone 15. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I'm about to get my hot chocolate. My mom, she has the Keurig machine, and she got the hot chocolate, what you call them? The K-Pods? Whatever. But yeah, it's an 8-ounce one. So I'm gonna make my hot chocolate. I tried to bring Theo in, but he didn't want to come in. He was at my window, but when I tried to let him in, he didn't want to come in. Make that make sense. But anyway, I'm gonna get my hot chocolate. I'm gonna see if he'll come back inside again, and then I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna put on a movie, and then I'm gonna finish editing this video. This video is probably only like 20-25 minutes, and I wasn't really talking that much throughout the video because at first I was gonna make a TikTok and just do like a voiceover, but then I remembered tomorrow is December 1st, Vlogmas, duh. So I lost my train of thought. But anyway, in the beginning of the video, I'm not really talking that much, but I will add some music and maybe a voiceover. I don't know. I don't want it to be boring, so hopefully it's not. But the rest of the days of the Vlogmas, I'll be talking more. So yeah, there's that. And my hot chocolate is almost done. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna probably put on a Christmas movie. My lips is ashy, bro. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna probably put on a Christmas movie and then just call it a night. Yeah, I might do that. I am gonna do that, actually. Okay, so he finally decided he wanted to come back in. So now I'm gonna give him like a little bit of his food. Only because he only ate once today, and then I'm gonna feed him twice. So I'm just gonna give him a little bit just so he doesn't poop in my room while I'm sleeping. Cause that's a no. That's a no. But yeah, so Theo, you wanna say hey? Say hey, Stinker. I'm trying to be better at filming, but it's a little awkward. Only because I normally do voiceovers and I'm not really used to this. But anyway, why'd you go on your head? Yeah, I'm gonna give him some of his food, and then I'm trying not to like do so many like clips and just film like a straight out video. Yeah, he's drinking his water now. But yeah, I'm gonna give him some food. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Go eat it. Go. Go eat it. Theo, you piss me off. Go eat your food. Go eat it. Go eat it. What? Why are you looking at me like that? So now you're not hungry. Go eat it. Theo, bro. Sit down. Are you gonna eat your food or not? Or not? Why are you laying down? Now y'all watch when I sit down, he gonna wanna eat his food. Go eat it, bro. I'm not gonna put you in your cage. Now, yeah, like, look, bro. Hold on. I'm finna How I turn the camera? Now he wanna be over there by his food. He drinking his water now. But watch he go to his food. Yo, you're so weird. Where's my remote? Bro. Dang, boy. He be acting like he ain't drunk in days. And his water be right there in his cage. So you're not hungry no more? So I just put that food in your cage for no reason. That's what you're telling me? Wow, Theo. Wow. Okay, so I should have been recording it this way in the beginning, but now I've learned my lesson. So, yeah. Anyway, I did not finish my hot chocolate. I have marshmallows in it. I didn't finish my hot chocolate because it's nasty. And I had some yesterday and it did not taste like that. But really, since the K-pop, it like takes water. And I like my hot chocolate with milk. So I put some milk in there first. And then like I let the Keurig machine, you know, do its thing. But I don't like when the water is in it. It tastes so nasty. So tomorrow, I'm going to try and make it with just milk. Because who drinks hot chocolate with water? Bro, it is nasty. And I'm trying to drink it. But, it don't taste that good. Oh, and do y'all like my mug? It says, fueled by Jesus and coffee. Not too much on coffee, but on Jesus, amen. But now, I finished editing the video. So I'm going to add this last clip. And that will be it for day 1. I still have to pick a movie because, as I said, I was editing the video. So, I don't know what we're finna watch, but we gonna watch something. And I'm gonna try and go to sleep by 11 maybe, or 11:30. I want to go to sleep before 12 because lately I've been staying up like in the morning. As y'all can see in day 1, I stayed up until 5 in the morning. We're not gonna do that again. We're gonna try not to do that again because, yo, I literally only had like 5 hours of sleep today. Like, I've been up ever since. Because I was asleep from 5 a.m. to about like 10:30. That's only because the smell of breakfast woke me up. Because I was sleeping in the living room, so like I immediately smelt it. But anyway, that's it for day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I promise. Day 2 through 25 will be so much better. But until next time, love you guys.